my soldier, like you from the north. Cause I may not know you, just let me hold you. You be my soldier, like you from the north. Cause I may not know you, just let me hold you. You be my soldier, like you from the north. Cause I may not know you, just let me hold you. You be my soldier, like you from the north.
What's happened to you? Oh man! So who won?
Huh?
Who won?
I think definitely you won.
No, I don't know. I've sort of had a go at this before though.
Well, that was my first time.
So you're a dirt bike virgin?
I was a dirt bike virgin, now no longer. This bike took my virginity.
So thanks to Stomp, you're an old bike now.
You're so mean. Oh, these are so fun. Really fun. And it's funny because with this you can get the hang of it really quickly. It's not like a massive bike where you can hardly touch the ground. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to get a Stomp pit bike or any other pit bike direct, do them all. And they are awesome guys. They're really friendly and they know their beep.
And they can deliver all over the country, so it does come in a box, and then if you know a mechanic to help you put it together. So hopefully we'll get some more wheels so we can keep the knobblies.
Yeah, and then we can do this again.